Neighbors are going to call.
Come on, do it again.
You can't get up here.
Do it again.
You're filming this.
No. Get her. Get her. Not me. What are you trying to do? Is your arm spazzing, Grandma? I'm not filming.
Moo! Moo! You want to hear what an elephant and a giraffe sounds like? You want me to do my giraffe?
Sure.
Okay. Giraffes don't make noise. Truly.
I know that. I'm not filming. Stop, you're tickling me.
So he says, don't make that sound. Do not make that sound.
Good boy. Grandma, you sound like a retarded mouse. He's still wondering what you're doing. Giraffes don't make any noise.
Want me to do my giraffe?
Yes, please. That'd be probably the best impression of saying you do.
Probably.
Can you stop twinkling my fingers, Oreo? Hey, come on, Oreo, stop. You little cookie yumminess.
Good boy, you sat. That's a good boy.
First time I've ever seen that.
Now lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Good. Ugh, yuck.
Yuck.
Oh.
Yum, 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 yum. Lick your fingers. I lick your face in your camera.
How's your rat doing?
She's doing good.
Have you talked to her today?
Why would I talk to a rat?
Just to let her know that you love her and you're there for her.
Okay, I'll hold her as soon as this video's
I wonder
over.
if she's still bleeding.
No, she's not.
You sure?
I'm positive.
How did you know?
Because I just checked her foot.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, wow, your room is such a mess. So's mine.
Not my fault.
Hey,
No.
This is your towel for your shower?
You know I'm recording, right?
Well, I was hoping you weren't.
Okay.
You could just erase everything.